Saudi Arabia is a kingdom that is known for its beauty. There are a lot of popular tourist sites in Saudi Arabia. In addition, Saudi Arabia has become more popular because of the insane mega projects the kingdom has planned. These are projects that, if completed, will take the city to a whole new level. The projects are also said to be so technologically advanced that could change the whole world. Hello, and welcome back to our channel Future Planet. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some of the insane facts you need to know about Riyadh's famous Kingdom Center Tower. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to our channel Future Planet for more amazing videos just like this one. So, with that out of the way, let's begin. Saudi Arabia is known to have some of the world's most beautiful skyscrapers, and even though they don't really compare to the ones found in Dubai, they are really something. One of the most famous ones is the Kingdom Center Tower, located in the heart of Riyadh. The Kingdom Center Tower is the world's third largest skyscraper with a gap within it. Not only that, but it is also the fifth tallest skyscraper in Saudi Arabia, and the second tallest in Riyadh. The building itself is quite old since its construction started in 1999 and was completed in 2002. It was commissioned by none other than Prince Al-Walid bin Talal, the grandson of Abdulaziz, the first king of Saudi Arabia. For a skyscraper that was built all those years ago, this is a true marvel. It fits perfectly with the developing and rising skyline, seeming as though it was built recently. The Kingdom Tower is commonly referred to as the necklace, given that it has an unusual opening at the top. Other people will also say that it looks like a bottle opener. The top of the tower is about 992 feet above the ground, having gone up by 99 stories. All these floors are filled with so many stores and rooms, all of which make this one of the major business and shopping destinations for both the locals and tourists. The inside of the Kingdom Tower is a true marvel because you will literally find whatever you're looking for here. Well, almost anything. The tower houses the luxurious and chic Four Seasons Hotel, which offers nothing but the best. This hotel is a popular destination for visitors as well as tourists, given all the luxury that the hotel has to offer. The hotel has about 227 spacious rooms, each equipped with modern facilities. Even though the building is old, the hotel has done its best to renovate it from time to time to ensure that it is up to date with the rest of the world. Each of these rooms will give you one of the city's most spectacular views. The building also houses a spa where you can get some of the best treatments, a wellness center to stay in shape, and a lounge where you can just relax in the most comfortable way ever. There are 10 floors of hotels offering you nothing but the best in luxury and comfort. In addition, there are 13 offices, 5 stories of magnificent apartments, and a few more offices on the top. However, don't think that this is all there is to this building. On the east side of the building, there is a shopping mall with other luxury brands. We're talking about Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Avanti, Dior, Fendi, Gucci, Tiffany & Company, among so many more. If you were to go for some shopping here, I'm pretty sure you would be confused and spoiled for choice. If you ever go shopping here, just make sure that you have enough money to get yourself some of the best products. The west side of the building is where people will rent out spaces to hold their events. This is also where you will find most of the things to keep the public entertained. There are a lot of options when it comes to entertainment, such as Vox Cinemas, which is a theater where you can catch all the major movies. It is very popular among the locals because of the massive screens and wonderful customer service. For those of you who would want to grab a meal at the Kingdom Center Tower, there are a variety of urban cafes offering you whatever you're in the mood for. Just to name a few, there is the Millefeuille, Soufflé, Café Céramique, Chouse Café, and Al Yasmin. There are also some fast food joints in the building, such as KFC, Starbucks, Subway, Baskin-Robbins, Burger King, and so much more. If you visit this building for a meal, you will undoubtedly leave satisfied. This is truly a kingdom center offering a little bit of everything. One of the most attractive things about this building is the parabolic arch. It is unique, and sometimes it lights up in the most attractive way at night. It's a very beautiful scene to see over the night sky. However, that is not the most impressive thing about this building. At the very top on the 99th floor of the Kingdom Center, you will find the Sky Bridge. This is a glass sky bridge where you can observe one of the most spectacular and breathtaking views of Riyadh City down below. The bridge is always open for anyone who feels as though they want to observe the city from a higher point of view. The bridge is fitted with glass panels from floor to ceiling, giving you wonderful views on both sides. During the evening, you will find a lot of people here just stargazing and taking pictures of the spectacular view. The best time to visit this bridge is in the afternoon when there is less foot traffic. However, if you want the perfect view of everything, make sure you go up there during sunset. You will be able to watch how the sun sinks into the horizon far off in the desert, as the city turns on its lights as they transition to nighttime. That is one of the dreamiest and most romantic views ever. Another interesting fact about the Kingdom Center Tower is that it has a thermal energy storage system that is large enough to support the central chilled water plant. This system has a cooling capacity of about 5,000 tons. The system is most efficient during the hottest hours of the day. During this time, it will ensure that all the visitors inside are comfortable. When the building was being designed, the architects and engineers paid attention to the extreme heat that the country experiences. Because of this, they gave it a structure that would ensure that the building was cool at all times. The standard foundation of the tower features a podium that has two symmetrical sides that give it the shape of an almond. The narrow ends on the east and west sides are the ones that take in the most of the heat. The curves give it a distinct shape that efficiently works to keep the building cool, even on the hottest days. In addition to that, there is a highly efficient silver curtain wall that reflects the glaze. All this was installed to keep the temperature down and conceal three crucial mechanical floors. It also ensures a seamless elevation of the building as well. The Kingdom Tower is one of Riyadh's main tourist attractions, and given that it is in the center of the city, it must be great. There is so much to do here that you will need more than a week to enjoy everything. What do you guys think of the Kingdom Tower? Did this video intrigue you to make a visit here soon? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel Future Planet and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Ciao.